Welcome to the evolution of Woody Woodpecker. 1940 knock knock.
I roll.
Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb.
1941 Woody Woodpecker.
Yes, sirree, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you. You can't do that to me. What? Get that stuff. Come down and fight like a man. I can lick you and your whole family.
Oh, shut up.
Who says so?
I says so.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
About whom were you referring? About whom?
We think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose.
Ah, so I've got some screws loose. Well, watch this.
1940 to Ace in the hole.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Okay, you asked for it.
Lonesome bachelor wishes to meet refined lady. Object, matrimony. Can offer fine home and lots of good wholesome food. Phone, Wally. That you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No.
Yes, you are.
$1,960 billion boner.
Hello, Woodpecker. Now, who
Name. Congratulations, old Houlihan, old buddy, old pal, old chum. The pen won't write.
What do you mean it won't write? It'll write in butter. Just press the button like this.
1966 Rough Riding Hood.
I'm Red Riding Hood.
Matter, Red?
I was on my way to Grandma's house when some fake wolf jumped out of a bush and took my pizza pie.
Where is this wolf?
He's creeping behind some bush, sir.
Okay, Red. From here on, I'll take over.
That's what I will do. I will call Grandma. Operator, I want 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
2000 automatic Woody.
Incoming! Butterscotchy finger pies, here I come!
2017 Woody Woodpecker.
Whatever it was, it clawed me.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Woody!
Now, as for you two, where were we? Get ready to go commando.
This for Cyclops!
Initiate capture.
This is gonna be fun.
2024 Woody Woodpecker goes to camp.